building a nation of peace, opportunity, and prosperity, the security of our citizens is of paramount importance.
That's why the government has been making strategic investments in the security architecture, including legislation necessary to achieve safety for all. Ongoing efforts include increasing new recruits to the police force and providing better working conditions for the men and women. The forensic pathology autopsy suite is being constructed to aid law enforcement's investigation and evidence gathering for crimes. Just recently, the Operation Get Every Legal Gun campaign was launched and an electronic traffic ticket management system rolled out. Government has also been seeing success from the zones of special operations now in 7 vulnerable communities. Collective incidents of murders declined by 63% and shootings by 77%. On the legislative side, since the passage of the Criminal Administration Suppression of Criminal Organizations Amendment Act, there have been 39 convictions involving 11 accused persons.
As a matter of priority, the government is pressing ahead with the development of several new and revised legislation.
These include the Firearms Act, which was tabled in Parliament and is now being reviewed by a joint select committee comprising members of both houses. There is also the development of the Enhanced Security Measures Bill, the Security Personnel Integrity Bill, and the National Intelligence and Security Bill.
Housing continues to be a major priority of the government.
The National Housing Trust is on course to issue over 8,000 home buying loans by the end of the fiscal year in March 2022.
The NHT currently has 12,019 housing solutions under construction, in addition to 24,500 housing solutions in planning across the island.
More housing solutions are underway at the Greater Bernard Lodge Development Project in St. Catherine.
The intention is to create a sustainable integrated township that is vibrant and resilient and provides opportunity for affordable housing, modern living, and access to jobs and amenities.
More emphasis will also be placed on social protection with the expansion of the construction of indigent houses. Meanwhile, the Bank of Jamaica is facilitating greater financial inclusion with the rollout of the central bank digital currency this year.
This is a big step in building a nation of peace, opportunity, and prosperity.
At the same time, the Ministry of Finance is moving ahead with the review and implementation of a comprehensive restructuring of the public sector compensation system.
This allows for full transparency while ensuring that jobs are adequately compensated. Our economy is recovering with 7 to 9% growth projected for the fiscal year ending March 2022, and employment continues its steady recovery.
With that projection and steady progression from the COVID-19 pandemic, government continues to advance the inclusive and sustainable economic growth agenda. Effective March 27, 2022, Jamaica will accede to the Madrid Protocol following the passage of the Trademarks Act in May 2021.
This will facilitate international registration of trademarks in up to 126 countries through a single application filed with the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office.
3 key pieces of legislation will be amended in the 2022-23 financial year to enable growth in the cannabis industry, prevent business bankruptcy, and counter money laundering and terrorism financing. The growth agenda is also being propelled with the implementation of several large infrastructure projects. These include the advanced stage of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project and construction on the 4-lane roadway from Harborview to Yallas, as well as on 10 of the planned 15 construction packages. With master planning and design for the Morant Bay Urban Centre now completed and loan financing secured, development is to begin in short order.
This integrated town centre and commercial complex, along with the highway improvements, will be a game changer for the people of St. Thomas.
Also, construction of Jamaica's new Houses of Parliament complex will commence this year. Jamaica's 60th anniversary of independence will be marked by the start of the review process to reform the country's constitution. The process to shift Jamaica's status as a constitutional monarchy will also get underway. The newly established Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs is to facilitate this major development in our history. Another milestone undertaking will be to clear the name of national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Mosiah Garvey, of his wrongful conviction in the United States. And so, as clearly outlined in the 2022 throne speech delivered by Governor General Sir Patrick Allen, the government remains focused on building our Jamaica, a place of peace, opportunity, and prosperity.